Hi guys! This is for Grandpa and Grandma. Hello from Ruby and Trooper. Here they are. There's Trooper. There's Ruby. She just went to the groomer yesterday, so she got a little buzz cut. They're good pals. Wherever Ruby goes, Trooper makes sure she's not getting in trouble. Trooper's gotta watch her. Yeah, you guys are so cute. Trooper. There they are. Yeah. Best buddies, right? The big greyhound and the little pooch. Little golden doodle. Come on, Troop. Let's look outside. Oh, yes. Ruby loves the little Beanie Baby on the rope. But, of course, she's not going to chase her from Grandpa and Grandma. Whenever the camera comes out... Oh, Ruby sees something good outside.
Oh, here, that's cute. I'm laying on the bed.
Oh, I'm going to have to show you another one of Trooper's habits. Getting a drink. He goes through 4 bottles of water a day, more than I do. He is a big drinker. Where's Ruby?
Okay, next.
Ruby,
Stuffing.
is there anything that you want to say to Grandpa and Grandma,
What do
Ruby?
you want to name it?
Is there anything that you want to say to Grandpa and Grandma, Troop? Huh? Nobody? Hey, Ruby. Alright, bye-bye, Ruby. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Trooper.